So hello guys, this is a new series that I am starting. My name is Bilal and I am a freelancer. I do freelancing work. Mainly my niche is data scraping and I do it on Fiverr platform. It's a freelancing platform. So this series I am starting a new series. In that series I will show you how to scrape any website using this Octoparse software. It's a very powerful software that you guys can use to scrape any websites and I've earned a lot of money through this doing this. So this is my series and this is the part one. In this video I will show you how you can scrap the Indeed website and how you can do many clients were used to text me on Fiverr saying that I want to scrap this website. So here I am showing you guys how you can scrap this Indeed website. So let's start without any further talk. So you will first of all you will put in your like your keyword that you want to search, right? I'm putting a software engineer as an example, but you can put whatever you need. After that you're gonna put your location here. I'm putting London, UK as an example, of course, but you may change. It will depend on your preferences and everything that you're gonna use. So you first, what you will do is you will put in your URL and everything, your keyword and your location. After that what you guys can do is you can copy this URL from here, and I'm using a Mac OS, by the way. You can do all of the steps, 10 steps. Control C to copy from the Windows, and Octopath can be on the Windows as well. So what you guys can do is click on new, click on custom task. After that go ahead and paste the URL that you just copied from here. After that you're gonna click on save and you will see a new window will pop up here. So you guys will get a bit concerned what we have to do here. So don't worry, I will show you how you can do each step by step, how you can scrap this website. So first of all you will open your browse mode, and what browse mode will do is you're gonna click on websites without showing this blue everything. So first of all you're gonna click and change the timeout to 300 seconds. Just do this because it's very important step. So click on save. After doing that, what you can do is, guys, you can just click on this little bulb icon, click on that, and then after that you're gonna click on auto detect web page data. So it's gonna automatically detect the web page data that you need. So we're gonna wait here until it gets detected. So here you can see all of the columns has been extracted. You can of course delete the columns that you don't need. So for example, we don't need the page scroll, but we need the pagination. And by the way, I made all the Xpaths. What is Xpath? You do not need to worry about that. I will just show you how you can copy and paste that. I will include those Xpaths in the YouTube description video, so in the description, so you can just copy and paste it in your Octopath task. But do keep in mind that Xpaths change on websites on a certain amount for the website, so it may change for you, so you have to figure it out on your own. So I will just remove the columns that I don't need. I don't need this, I don't need this, and I definitely don't need this. So this is the location, and this is the company name, this is the title, this is the title URL, and this is the posted date. So I will just click on create workflow. After that we have created the workflow successfully. You can see it has made a new loop item and the pagination page here. So what you can do, guys, is you want to scrap from the main page, right? So what you can do is you can click on select sub page URL, and you will select here the title URL, which is this. You want to click on confirm. You will see the click URL has been inserted. After that you guys will click this option, click here, click on this option, and then untick this, open a new tab and load with Ajax. Click on that and increase the timeout to 4 seconds. Click on apply and click on save. Okay, done. We are done from here. So you click on plus icon and make a new extract data here, extract data 1, and make sure this icon is also ticked. And what we need to do is now just simply scrap the data. We will scrap this star review. Okay, star. And for Octopath to work spaces, you have to put this underscore and then star ratings. click this and it will show you this. Now I made the Xpath that I will show you. For the job type, for the graduate job type, I will make a new column. I will copy this. I will go ahead, go here, click on capture data on the page. After that, I will click here and I will paste this URL here, and I will click on apps. First I will click on absolute XPath, and then I will copy this and click on confirm. It may not show anything because this is a full-time job, so in the full-time it will show. So I will do the rest for all this. Click on XPath, absolute XPath, do this. Now do this, click capture data. Okay, capture data, and for the full time I will just go ahead and copy this. That way you know what job type is. It may vary depending on what things you may need, so it will scrap full time because this is full time job. For the job description, you may ask how to scrap that. Click here, capture data on the page. You may write description here, but I will click on this absolute XPath. After that I will click on this description, copy this. Here we go, and click on confirm. After that, the job description will be extracted. To remove this job description, what we can do is clean data. Click here, add a step, click on replace, and then put this. Click on evaluate. Okay, first wait, we have to do copy from here, and then we have to put. Let's see. Okay, now it's gone. Click on confirm. It will clean the data for you. So now it will show you this. Now what steps we need to follow now? Click on extract data 1. Click on options. Wait before action to 3 seconds. Do this. And one more thing that we have to do, make sure the pagination is working. We have to scroll down and see. Octoparse has made a pagination loop. What we can do is change this pagination loop to ours that I have made here. So you can just copy here. I will provide this in the description below, so you can just copy and paste it. Copy here, click on apply, and then click on save. After that, make sure it is working. Click on pagination, click on click to paginate. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works, right? Here you can see it works. So go to paginate and it will work again, as you can see. So we'll click on options, load with Ajax, increase time seconds to 5 seconds, click on apply, and then we're gonna click on here and make sure it is on as well. This timing is very important, by the way, guys. If you don't turn this on, it will just go fast and fast. It will scrap fast and fast, quick for you, and then the website might block us. So it's better to avoid and do this practice before doing anything. Click here. Let's see. Yeah, it works. Now let's run the task and let's see if it works. So I will just run the task here, and let's see now, guys, if it works. So you can see it has started scrapping. As you can see, it is working. It is working fine. As you can see, where there's 3 fields of this job type, it will scrap that as well. So you do not need to be worried about that. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine, no problem at all. So this is it, guys. This was the first website. Now if you guys are interested in any custom website, you can let me know in the comment section, because I will be scraping websites with your feedback. You can type in the comment section what website would you like to see next for me to scrap for you. Also, I can scrap any website for you. You can hire me as well full time. I will show my email here where you can email me, and if you have any work for me for regarding scrapping of any website, I can do that for you. So thanks for watching this video, guys.